This morning's mission is to get this onto the back of the truck and transportate it down to the FMX pad. I'm running the power all the way back to the generator. This is where we're having the generator. We're going to build a roof around this to keep it protected. Trying to figure out how much oil to put in this, coolant, everything. Benny just put the terminals on back to front, so we're off to a good start. Ollie, come here! Don't chase the cows. Yeah! I just tied this mad dog. Goal is for today is to dig all the holes for the cable to run. There's 100 meters of cable to run, and then yeah, just dig it and then fill it all back in, get it like a good 600 millimeters under the ground, half a meter, so it can't get hit by anything and then blow anything up. And I've never driven an excavator before, like ever. I am having so much fun. It's way funner than operating the tip truck anyway. I've only got that to go. Done a solid 70 meters, about 30 meters to go. Yeah! Mission accomplished! Woohoo! We're loaded up, we're heading down to the compound. I got an interesting setup today. The big change of events also. Somehow how it worked is that we're setting up the big ramp as well as the airbag. It showed up, it's arrived. So we're going to be aiming to set them both up in one day. We're trying to get a team of the boys out here. We've got Eskies full of beers to pay all the boys in. We've got Ollie. And yeah, I'm stoked. It's all coming, everything's gonna be setting up. It's an exciting day. I've kind of been waiting for this day this whole year. So yeah, I'm stoked.
That's the one we want.
Take it back, it was mistake number one. We just had the wrong piece of timber because I was too busy talking to him. New home. So we got heaps of jobs happening today. It's Friday and then we're going into Saturday. We got heaps of boys coming out to give us a hand. We're finishing off on, it's like on the home stretch with everything. We got the cabling all on the ground now. We're just doing the final bits. Well, I'm not, John is. He's doing all the PowerPoints and everything here. And then it'll be good to go. Airbag plug in and happy days. And then we're just building the shed over the generator to protect it from the weather. And we are on. Today's like the day. Of all days, I never thought this day would come. It's like 6 AM, it's kind of spitting, it's raining, it's scaring the hell out of me because I've got like two of the crane boys out here now. They just got here and the goal is to get this big ramp down into this swamp. Like, so we got a few little obstacles to get it through. We just got stuck with this big truck, so yeah, it's gnarly. So we got a few goals today. Just fingers crossed this rain stays away. First, for now, we're going up to the big ramp to try and get this thing down here, and then the next obstacle is setting up the airbag. Morning's mission is to get this onto the back of the truck and transportate it down to the FMX pad. We'll see some lights on this one, go to the next one.
Yeah, go. Should stop it from going in the store.
Yeah. We're so close and so far. We're on the final load. Oh, we've got the truck, we've got the airbag, we've got all the fans up the front. We've fully maxed out this load, and the goal is to build this ramp, come back, get the airbag, get it all down on the pad, and then yeah, just start setting everything up.
But I got the reach. Pop lock, now I'm off the leash. Mic drop.